down? Tell me, can we get down? Come on, can we get down? Tell me, can we get down? Can we get down? Come on, tell me, can we get down?
Poked away, Troy Gwynn going with the layup, taps the glass, puts it in. And get it. 2 on the game clock. Fade away. 3-0. Count it. It's good as it goes. And the Explosion are going to take a 63-41 lead. On the wing, nothing but the bottom of the net. We got a 2-on-3. Keller going to take it himself. Goes left to right. Adedrian up over the back with the put-back tip-in. You guys in foul trouble. Adedrian jump into the lane. Up and under move. Chris Keller. Is the Explosion win in impressive fashion, 122-84, beating the Shaanixi Kylins.